Should you invest in a Roth IRA or a brokerage account? Today, I'm breaking down whether you should invest in a Roth IRA or a brokerage account. I'm Dakota Grady, DG the Money Coach, and I'm all about helping you to master your finances. Let's dive into the conversation. All right, so you want to start investing. If you haven't started investing, drop in the chat below. And also, if you're making mistakes with your finances, put mistakes in the chat, and I'll send you a few resources that can help you to learn how to start managing your finances so that you can stop struggling financially. So let's talk about a Roth IRA. So here are the pros or the good things about a Roth IRA. The first thing is you can invest your money with after-tax dollars, meaning you pay tax on the money and then you can invest it. And when you take the money out, you don't pay tax on it because you've already paid taxes on the money when you put it into the account. That's a great deal right there, because when you do that, your money grows. The second point is it grows tax-free, y'all. That means you put $1,000 in there, and there's after taxes. Say it grows to $10,000, right? Take the money out, it's not taxed. That's the good thing about having a Roth IRA, y'all. That's right. You put the money in that account, and it grows tax-free. And you can also invest the money after paying taxes. So it's not like a traditional IRA or a 401k where you put money into the account before taxes. And then the money grows. When you take the money out, it's taxed. But the downside of a Roth IRA is, in my opinion, is you're limited on what you can invest. For this year, 2025, you can invest $7,000. And if you're 50 or older, you can invest $8,000, right? The downside of that is, what if you want to invest $9,000, right? But you're on age 50. You can put the money in the account, but you get penalized because you can't invest too much. You can only invest up to the limit without being penalized. If you take out the money from the Roth IRA before you age 59 and a half, you will pay tax on that money. You pay a 10% penalty for taking the money out early, and you also pay tax on the money. So those are some downsides of having a Roth IRA. Now, how about a brokerage account? Great question. A brokerage account is another way you can invest money, but it doesn't have the limitations that you have with a Roth IRA. For example, the best thing, in my opinion, about having a brokerage account is you can invest unlimited amounts of money. That's right. There's no cap like a Roth IRA. You can invest a ton of money in a brokerage account. You can get a mutual fund like you can inside a Roth IRA and invest in a mutual fund via a brokerage account and invest a lot. But here's the downside of a brokerage account. You pay capital gains, which is, say you put $100 in that particular account, right? And it grows to $200. Well, you're going to pay tax on that money that year. Even if you reinvest that money, I mean, you put it back into the account to get more shares, you will pay tax on that money, right? So that's the downside of having a brokerage account. You'll pay tax on any dividends and any interest you have in the account, earned from the account. So what do I recommend doing? Well, I recommend doing, if you can, do both. But do a Roth IRA, because even though you're limited in terms of how much you can invest, that money grows tax-free. That means when you take the money out of the account, you aren't taxed. With a brokerage account, you can grow the money you can basically pay tax on that money, whether it be short-term capital gains, you held it for basically less than a year, or long-term capital gains, you held it for longer than a year. That money will be taxed. So if you have a brokerage account and you're having growth in that account, the value of the account is growing, that money will be taxed. So be prepared to pay taxes on your money every single year. So I hope this helps you to make a decision about whether you need to open a Roth IRA, which I recommend, or a brokerage account. If you like this channel, the episode, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining us.